Ayan guys, kumukulo na siya. Ang bilis ng reaction. So, lagay na natin ang ating hot pot. Tingin ko napapanahon tong meal na to, lalo na ngayong parating na mga bagyo, para sa ating mga LGUs na instead na mamimigay ng instant noodles, ay itong kanilang ipamigay sa ating mga kababayan. They deserve a decent, nutritious, and hot meal. Today we are going to make a dinner that is one of a kind. Open natin. Let's see how this goes. Yung laman niya. It has water on it already. It's pork. And I think this is rice. This is our pot. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe oil. Ito yung ulam. And this, I guess, this is going to be the fuel para sa ating lutuan. I'm still not sure how I'm going to do this because all the instructions are in this Japanese, Korean, Chinese. What do you think? But we'll figure this thing out. So the question is, how are we going to prepare this? Probably, unahin natin itong rice. Oops. And then itong oil. I hope I'm doing this right, guys. Let's see. Itong ulam. Ang pinili ko actually is curry. Mabango na siya agad, in fairness. So I'm not sure kung ihahalo na natin siya agad sa ating rice. We'll figure this thing out as we go. And then ito yung eksaktong amount ng water na kailangan natin for our meal. Oopsie. So I'm kind of messing out. Ang gagawin natin is we'll add water into this, and we already have prepared one. Let's see how it goes. Itong ating magiging fuel para sa ating cooking pot. Lagyan natin ng water. Tignan natin kung mangyayari. So yan guys, kumukulo na siya. Ang bilis ng reaction. So, lagay na natin ang ating hot pot and coveran na natin ang ating meal. And let's wait for a while. So I think may kita niyo yung instruction. If you scan this QR code, I'm not quite sure guys. Scan nyo na lang. But for now, we're trying our best to figure this thing out. I actually set an alarm for 10 minutes to let this meal cook. So in few minutes guys, ayan, kita nyo, it's already cooking inside. And you can already smell kung gaano kasarap yung ating curry. Tingin ko napapanahon tong meal na to, lalo na ngayong parating na mga bagyo, para sa ating mga LGUs na instead na mamimigay ng instant noodles, ay itong kanilang ipamigay sa ating mga kababayan. They deserve a decent, nutritious, and hot meal. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, I think our meal is already prepared. Let's see how it goes. Bango. So ito na itsura niya guys. And this is curry. Mainit-init pa. Ang bango. So let's try if this actually tastes good. It smells good though. Moment of truth. Sarap. In fairness, masarap siya. I like it. Kung makikita nyo yung rice, akalain nyo na parang hilaw siya. But it's not. It's fully cooked. Sarap. In all honesty, talaga masarap siya. And I tried this curry. Maybe some other time, try natin iba namang ulam. Okay guys, so buy nyo na sa ating yellow basket. Try it. This is good. Really, really good.